Bradford White water heaters are generally reliable appliances, but pilot light issues can occasionally occur. Understanding the basic components and troubleshooting steps will help you identify and resolve common problems. The pilot light serves a critical function. It ignites the gas burner, which heats the water in your tank. When the pilot light fails, your water heater cannot produce hot water. Pilot light problems typically stem from three main components. A faulty thermocouple is the most common issue. This safety device senses the pilot flame. A defective igniter may fail to create the spark needed to light the pilot. Gas valve problems can prevent proper gas flow to the pilot light. Before attempting any repairs, perform these basic checks. First, verify the gas supply valve is turned on. Check that your thermostat is set to the desired temperature. Ensure no circuit breakers have tripped and no fuses are blown. Newer Bradford White models have diagnostic LEDs that display error codes to help identify specific problems. If the pilot light is out, follow this systematic relighting procedure. First, turn the gas valve to the off position and wait 5 to 10 minutes to allow any accumulated gas to clear. Next, turn the gas valve to the pilot position. Press and hold the pilot button while using the spark igniter or a long match to light the pilot flame. Continue holding the pilot button for about 1 minute after the pilot light is lit to allow the thermocouple to heat up properly. If the pilot light still won't light or stay lit after following these steps, the problem likely involves faulty components that require further inspection and possible replacement. This indicates the need for more advanced troubleshooting of individual components. When basic relighting doesn't solve the pilot light problem, it's time to inspect and test individual components. We'll examine each critical part systematically. Start by cleaning key components. Use a soft brush to clean the igniter, check the pilot tube and orifice for any clogs, and carefully remove carbon deposits that may have accumulated. The most common issue is a broken thermocouple. Test it with a multimeter to ensure it's functioning correctly. Also, check that the igniter is receiving proper voltage and inspect the gas valve operation. Don't forget to check the flame sensor for dirt or damage and look for a tripped thermal reset switch. These components are often overlooked but can prevent proper operation. Regular component inspection reveals issues like this heavily corroded anode rod. Such deterioration affects overall system performance and highlights the importance of thorough maintenance checks. If component checks don't solve the problem, consider other issues. Seal any gaps to prevent drafts, ensure proper ventilation, and flush the tank to remove sediment buildup that can affect performance. Know when to call a professional. If you smell gas, the pilot light fails repeatedly, there's evidence of faulty components, or you're uncomfortable working with gas appliances, seek professional help immediately. Always remember, turn off the power and gas supply before performing any maintenance. Safety should be your top priority when working with gas appliances.